How to use gelatin for joint pain, joint healing pudding recipe. Many people suffer from joint pain, whether from osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoporosis, injury, uric acid crystals, years of normal wear and tear, and other causes. Known anti-inflammatories like turmeric, honey, garlic, and ginger can help ease the pain, but there's another, less popular food that can help: gelatin. Gelatin is the collagen extracted from animal bones, tendons, and skin. Vegan versions exist that are made from agar, cooked and pressed algae, or carrageenan, seaweed. While the vegan gelatin has the same texture for use in preparing other foods, it doesn't have the same healing effects. Here we are talking about traditional gelatin, sourced from pigs or bovine animals. Gelatin for joint pain. Gelatin has many health benefits, primarily due to its protein and collagen content. These elements are required for healthy bones, which makes sense since they are extracted from bones and other meat scraps. Collagen is structural protein and the most abundant protein in the body, connecting everything together. It's found in skin, bones, hair, and connective tissue. Gelatin contains 6 to 12 grams of protein per tablespoon. Our bodies absorb the collagen in gelatin, adding to our own supply. Gelatin eases joint pain in two ways: by strengthening bones and boosting our own collagen levels to support connective tissue. Gelatin contains chondroitin, a chemical found in cartilage that promotes absorption of moisture into the fibers to maintain flexibility and mobility. Using gelatin. Gelatin is clear, tasteless, and odorless, which makes it marvelous to mix with other ingredients in a variety of ways. The sugar and chemical-laden version that comes in convenient, colorful little boxes is not the best source of gelatin. Organic, unflavored gelatin will give you all the benefits without that other junk. Below is a simple recipe that combines gelatin with other foods to make a tasty, nutritious, and fun treat. The gelatin will relieve joint pain, seeds contain fiber, healthy fats, and minerals for bone support, raisins provide iron, and honey is a sweet anti-inflammatory. Gelatin pudding. You'll need 3 tablespoons raisins, 2 tablespoons organic unflavored gelatin, 8 teaspoons flax seeds, 4 tablespoons sesame seeds, 3 tablespoons pumpkin seeds, 3/4 cup honey. You'll have to mix all ingredients thoroughly until well blended. Store in a glass jar at room temperature. 1 teaspoon twice a day, before breakfast and lunch. Some time is required for the body to absorb the collagen from gelatin. Studies show it could take 3 to 6 months. Subscribe to our channel below for new videos weekly. Get all the doable stuff you need to live better naturally, sent to your inbox. Sign up for the Daily Health Post newsletter at www.dailyhealthpost.com.